morning, students. Welcome to Rational Numbers Part 3. By now, I hope you have had an idea of what rational numbers are. We have solved few sums on rational numbers based on their properties. So now let's come to the Part 3 of the chapter Rational Numbers. We start with question number 94. It says, taking x is equal to minus 4 by 9, y is equal to 5 by 12, and z is equal to 7 by 18, find the following. And there are many parts to this particular sum. Part A, we need to find the rational number which when added to x gives y. Part B, we need to find the rational number which when subtracted from y gives z. Part C, we need to find the rational number which when added to z gives us x. Part D, we need to find the rational number which when multiplied by y to get x. Part E, we need to find the reciprocal of x plus y. Part F, we need to find the sum of the reciprocals of x and y. Part G, x divided by y and then multiplied by z. Part H, x minus y and then added to z. Part I, x plus y plus z. Part J, x divided by y divided by z. Part K, x minus y plus z within brackets. So let's take on these parts one by one. So part A says we need to find the rational number which when added to x gives y. That means x plus what gives us y. That means minus 4 by 9 plus a question mark is equal to 5 by 12. Now let's see how this has to be done. So you see I've written the values of x, y and z so that you don't need to go back to the previous slide always again and again. Now part A, as I've said, minus 4 by 9 plus what? So I've taken it as P is equal to 5 by 12, or P will be equal to 5 by 12 minus 4 by 9. And now just following the simple rules of subtraction and addition, we have found out the value. Now just remember, first you need to open the bracket, and when you're opening the bracket, just be careful. There is a minus sign outside as well as inside, and hence minus minus gives us plus. So ultimately it's 5 by 12 plus 4 by 9, and the final answer is 31 by 36. So that means 31 by 36 should be added to minus 4 by 9 in order to get 5 by 12. So this is part A. Part B, according to the question, it is 5 by 12 minus what will give me 7 by 18. So if you just bring the unknown value on the left hand side and the known values, the constant values on the right hand side, it comes to like this. Q is equal to 5 by 12 minus 7 by 18, and following the normal rules of subtraction, we get the answer as 1 by 36. Children, please do it on your own. Don't just copy the answers blindly. I'm saying it's 1 by 36, so you're writing 1 by 36. Please do not do that. Work out the sums on your own. Okay. Part C, 7 by 18, that is Z, plus what will give you X. So here again, following the rules, we get the value of R as minus 15 by 18. Part D, 5 by 12 into what will give you minus 4 by 9. So I've taken it as S. So S will be equal to minus 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 12. Please remember, when you are dividing, division changes to multiplication and the number following the division sign becomes its reciprocal. And then normal cancellation, we get minus 16 by 15. The next part, the question was to find the reciprocal of x plus y. Now, x plus y, we need to find out its value first and then its reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of x plus y is not 1 by x plus 1 by y. No. So first we need to solve and get the value of x plus y. So we got it as minus 1 by 36. Since reciprocal will be 36 by minus 1. Converting to standard form, it's minus 36, which means it is simply minus 36. No need to write 1 as the denominator. The next is part F, sum of the reciprocals of x and y. So in this case, we need to find the reciprocal of x and y separately. So reciprocal of x will be 9 by minus 4. Reciprocal of y is 12 by 5. So their sum is minus 9 by 4 plus 12 by 5. And the final answer is 3 by 20. Part G, x divided by y multiplied by z. Now see, this x divided by y, this portion is within a bracket. So that has to be done first. So division changes to multiplication sign, and within the bracket I got minus 16 by 15. That multiplied by 7 by 18 gives us the final answer as minus 56 by 135. Children, I'm again repeating, please do it on your own and then check with these worked out examples. Part H is x minus y to be done first. With the result, we are going to add z. So the result within the brackets is simple subtraction and it is minus 31 by 36. With that, we have added 7 by 18 and the final answer is minus 17 by 36. Part I, x plus y plus z. So here again, you need to find y plus z first. With that, you're adding the value of x. So just do it on your own and see whether you're getting the answer as 13 by 36 or not. Part J is x divided by y divided by z within brackets. So this y divided by z, this portion has to be done first, and we got our figure as 15 by 14. So minus 4 by 9 divided by 15 by 14, and the final answer is minus 56 by 135. Part K, x minus y plus z. So here again y plus z has to be done first, which comes to 29 by 36, and then the subtraction, and the final answer is minus 5 by 4. Question number 95. What should be added to minus half to obtain the nearest natural number? Now, concentrate on minus half. It's on the left hand side of 0. Now, what is the nearest natural number to this? Natural number means counting number which starts from 1. So obviously 0 is not a natural number. So the first natural number 1 is the one which is nearest to minus half. So that means the question is, what must be added to minus half to obtain 1? So if you take the unknown number as x, so it's minus half plus x is equal to minus 1. Solving, we get x is equal to 3 by 2. Question number 96. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to obtain the nearest integer? Nearest integer, mind it. The previous one was nearest natural number. So our set of natural numbers started from 1. But over here is nearest integer, which includes all. It includes negative, it includes 0, it includes positive. Now, minus 2/3. Which integer is closer to minus 2/3? Minus 2/3 lies where? Children, if you just think it. Minus 2/3 lies between 0 and minus 1. Isn't it? And it's more towards minus 1. It's a bit further from 0, but it's more towards minus 1. So then can I say that the nearest integer to minus 2/3 is minus 1? So now the sum is, what should be subtracted from minus 2/3 to get minus 1? So it's simply an equation. Minus 2/3 minus x is equal to minus 1. Solving, we get the value of x as 1/3. Question number 97. What should be multiplied with minus 5 by 8 to obtain the nearest integer? Here again, minus 5 by 8 lies between 0 and minus 1, and it is more towards minus 1. Okay, because the midway between 0 and minus 1 is actually minus 4 by 8. This is minus 5 by 8, so it's more towards minus 1. So the nearest integer to minus 5 by 8 is minus 1. So now the sum is, what should be multiplied by minus 5 by 8 to get minus 1. So if you assume it as p, so minus 5 by 8 into p is equal to minus 1, or p is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 5 by 8, and the final answer is 8 by 5. Question number 98. What should be divided by half to obtain the greatest negative integer? Can you tell me, children, what is the greatest negative integer? Yes, it is minus 1. So that means what should be divided by half to get minus 1? If I assume the number as s, so s divided by half is equal to minus 1. So solving for the value of s, we get it minus half. Now I've given you a short assignment. It's question number 92 and 93. Question number 92 is very simple. You just need to write the given rational numbers in the standard forms. I'm just giving you a hint. It's a revision type. What is the number in its standard form? First of all, it should be in the p by q form, where p and q are in the lowest terms. So if you can cancel the numbers, you need to cancel and keep your answer in its lowest terms. And the second point is, there should not be any minus sign in the denominator. The numerator may have minus sign, but no, not in the denominator. So what's to be done if there is a minus sign in the denominator? Yes, we multiply both p and q by minus 1. Okay, and you need to show that you are multiplying. So you can do all these sums on your own. And question number 93, find a rational number exactly halfway between. Now there are 4 parts to it. So how are you going to do this? Since they weren't exactly halfway, so that means you need to find the average. So you just add the numbers and divide by 2, isn't it? If you add the numbers and divide by 2, you'll get your answer. So children, please complete your assignments, and then you are going to check it when the answers or the solutions will be uploaded. Okay, you can do your own correction, and if you have doubts, you can always ask me during the Zoom session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.